Although the call of trick or treat may fade with this weekend's Halloween holiday, this class will study one treat for the rest of the semester. Welcome to chocolate chemistry. In this new elective started this semester by the food science department, the study is all things chocolate. The idea for the course was Dr. Robert Schufelt's, and he hopes the class's popularity catches on.
I figured it was a good way to entice people to consider food science as a major. I'm the chief recruiter for food science, so that's basically.
But it isn't an easy candy hour, it's a chemistry class, and in it students study the chemical makeup of all different types of chocolate. In this particular lab, they are studying a process called Maillard browning, the name of a chemical reaction which affects the color and aroma of chocolate. The course's TA is doctoral student Katie Robbins, and she explains you don't need to see chocolate to study chocolate.
There's actually not chocolate in the beakers, but we're trying to get the same reaction to occur using the ingredients from the chocolate.
The students then study the results of those reactions by smelling the different aromas they create and recording their observations.
Smell this.
Oh my gosh.
So do we do the same variation again? Which one is this one?
What is this variation? Jordan, what number did y'all do?
Buttered popcorn.
The really buttery popcorn.
It doesn't just have the backbone.
Katie Brogdon says while the class is fun, it's still chemistry.
It's fun, but it's also hard. We also have to know all about the different chemistry components of chocolate and whatnot. So it takes a lot of science-based knowledge to grasp it fully.
But there are times when students get to taste their subject. In that case, they move from the food science building across the street to the testing facility. Last week, students were given what is referred to in chocolate chemistry as a triangle test. The samples were given to the testers through a special door. The students take the test while sitting in separate booths in a room bathed in yellow light, which makes it harder for them to judge the sample's color. They write down their observations about each sample and then send the plate back through the door when they're finished.
Oh, that's terrible.
The test measures the taster's ability to tell the difference between cocoa levels in 3 chocolate samples. Water and a cracker are provided to cleanse the palate. Katie Robbins administered the test.
What we were testing was, between a 70% cocoa and an 85% cocoa, can you really taste an overall difference? Not like on sourness, not on chocolateness, but overall the taste.
Brittany and Bethany Martin both said the taste lab was challenging but fun.
I think I did pretty good with the milk chocolate.
Yeah, I'm not so sure about the dark chocolate. Yeah. They tasted really similar. I think the tests are harder than in the lab.
Yeah, definitely.
The labs are really fun. Like, there's not many labs where you go in and eat chocolate every week, so.
Back in the Maillard browning lab, Dane Turner recalled the rigorous triangle taste test he took the week before.
As rigorous as a taste test can get, if you consider eating a bunch of fudge and different types of chocolate tough, then yeah, I guess it is tough.
Turner says that no matter how hard the class is, at least it gives him a new outlook on chocolate right before Halloween.
Yeah, I'm going to be thinking about, how the Maillard browning makes that chocolate smell so good, and right before I take that first bite, I'm going to think about, chocolate chemistry class, and I'm going to enjoy it a lot.
But after Halloween comes and goes, these students will still be studying their chocolate with Dr. Schufelt.
Most important thing is that there's real science behind food, particularly real science behind chocolate, and it's important to understand the science if you're going to improve the food products.
Mark McAfee for the Red and Black.
You'll notice a color change.